Hello folks. So it looks the part before welding, and we made it, prepare it for welding. Here is all faces for welding. Also a little bit clean it up. The angle gradient for welding. And the mark. So it's accurate in it. And I said there a jaw, not a jaw, but a jack. Let's lift up this part a little bit. So I'm not yet sure for the welding way, but first I think I use auto rod, and later I keep weld with welding sticks. So thanks for watching, good luck, and have a nice day.